So in this video I'm going to share you the 6 business ideas which will work for you. So keep watching till the end. Hello, I'm Sakia, calligraphy artist from India. In this video I'm going to share you how we can start our own brand, how we can start our calligraphy or any art business like resin art, texture art or wall paintings, like any other art business. I will tell you 6 ideas which will work for you. Number 1, wedding industry. You know, wedding industry is evergreen. Focus on high-end keepsakes like nikah nama, canvas, couple art, then wedding frames, like that. You can make any kind of art. No need to copy others. You can create your own business. Can you say nikah nama, who started first? Like that, you can also create different varieties. Like I have created one masterpiece here. I will show, so you can see in my screen now. So this is what I have created in different way with canvas, using acrylic paints, gold foils, gold leaves and texture paints. So this is the different way you can also create. No one is judging you, so you can create like who have created nikah nama. This is all coming through the trend, so you can sell it in the market and you can make it as a trend, so others will copy you. So the number 2, that is lifestyle and accessories. You know, nowadays people are following the trends, people are imitating others. They will follow what others buy, they will follow the same, like keychain, like couple names, tote bags. You know, some people are selling simple tote bags, you can buy from them. You no need to prepare tote bags, you can buy tote bags from them. So I have purchased one tote bag from Leo Tote from Instagram. I'm planning to make customized couple name in that. After that I will show in my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. And also you can make home decors like wall paintings, wall art, frames, simple frames, aesthetic frames. Not only calligraphy, you can make with any kind of paintings. If you don't have color, if you don't have ink, you can just purchase some acrylic paints. If you are a beginner, you can make it like this. You can start your business from simple to huge. Don't wait, others will call you as an artist. You self be an artist, name yourself an artist and start your business today itself. Nowadays we are seeing that most of the people, they will put story, they will put reels. So we are thinking that they are making very big profit. Nothing like that. Everyone will show what they have done. Little things they will show it as a big things, like they will edit the background, they will edit the simple things into huge things. So everything you need is an creative mind. So if you have an creative mind, you can do anything. Number 3, live events. In Saudi Arabia, I have seen so many artists, they are participating in live events and they are making their brand very bigger. They are attending inaugural events. They are showcasing their artworks and cups, in scent bottles, perfume bottles, like that. So many things we have seen in social media. In India also we can do like this. We can contact event managers or we can go to mall, like here we have Fiza Mall, CC, and so many malls. We can ask with them, can we conduct a live events here? They will give permission. I have seen so many live events are conducting there, so we can have a try there also. So this is the third idea which will work for you. And the fourth idea is wall painting. Nowadays wall painting is very famous. They are using texture art and acrylic paintings, gold foils, even simple wall arting. They are selling for 1,000 rupees, more than 1,000 rupees. They are making money from this wall painting. So you can also try. You can search on Pinterest the simple wall paintings. If you are a beginner, you can try from simple to you can move. After experience, you can go for large painting. So this is the fourth idea you can utilize. You can search through Pinterest. You can also follow some Instagram IDs, those who are making very large paintings, small paintings. So you can also follow them and you can copy them. After practicing good artworks, after practicing some, you can also open for a collaborator. You can will get money from these collaborations also. You can see in Instagram nowadays this is also very famous trick to earn money from social media. So you can also utilize these methods. Final one, sixth one, this is very important, which I am following now. that is YouTube content creation. No need, if anyone is not buying your products, you are making calligraphies, you are making artworks, if no one is buying your products, so you can start your own YouTube channel. You will not get money from first video itself. Have patience and wait for your success. So this is the best platform I can suggest for you, that is YouTube content creation. When I started calligraphy business, I was not getting orders, so I planned, I want to practice calligraphy, so what can I do? I have searched so many things, then I started my YouTube channel, so that I'm not disappointing. Like whatever I'm doing, whatever the art videos I'm doing, I will put on YouTube shorts. I will get views, I'll get subscribers, so I'm happy for that. So that you will not get disappointed. If you're not getting orders, sometimes you will get disappointed. So don't worry, start a YouTube channel, and you will grow slowly. After monetization, you will get money from YouTube also, and you will get orders from Instagram, social media, like that. Final suggestion I want to give you, that how they can know if you're just doing your artwork and keeping your things at home. If people should order from you, you have to post it on Instagram, take some photos with beautiful backgrounds, and edit through Gemini. If you don't have beautiful backgrounds, you can just take a photo and tell with Gemini or ChatGPT to change the background, and then you can post it on Instagram, you can post it on social media. So focus on packaging and social media proofing, high quality photos of finished products. This is what people blindly accept from you. So from these 6 ideas, which idea did you like? You can tell me in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.